Now we're going to have a look at two functions which turn arrays into strings and strings into arrays. First of all, let's take these are known as the explode and implode functions. Let's start our PHP script, and we're going to start by taking an array. Let's call it the array fruit, and that's going to contain 3 elements. And we're going to turn that array into a single string called list. The way we do that is to use the implode function, and that takes 2 parameters. The first of which is a short string, which is what it's going to join in between each element within the array. If the elements in the array are going to be the bricks in the new string, then we need to put what we're going to use as the mortar. We could just use a space. Let's use AND to make it clearer what's happening. Then the second element that the implode function takes is the name of the array itself, which in this case is fruit. So let's echo our new string list to the browser. Let's save that, and we'll take a look at this in the browser. As we can see, each element within the array has been added to the string, and in between each, the AND string has been used as a joiner. So the implode statement is a quick, easy way of turning an array into a string. Now, let's take a look at the companion function to that, which is known as explode. Let's take a simple string and we can, using our explode function, we can split that into the elements in an array. So we use our explode function there in a similar syntax, but this time the first parameter that the explode function takes is going to be the character that the explode function is going to look for within the string and choose that as a delimiter for splitting off one element from another in the new array. So in this case, let's take the character space. This is going to split up each word, because between every word there's a space, so it's going to split every word apart from another and make the new array consisting of each word within the sentence. The other parameter is, of course, the string which is going to be used to create the new array. Now, in order to output our new array, let's use a for loop. Similar to the one we used before. And we're going to, every time this loop executes, we're going to trace word number. We're going to close that concatenation operator, and we put the word number in another concatenation operator, double quote, space, and is, and then we're going to say words, our new array, element number variable I. And at the end of that, we're going to put an HTML break tag. Let's have a look and see how that works. As we can see, our string rather, has been split, and each word has been used as an element within the new array. So those are some quick and easy ways of converting between strings and arrays.